What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Shouldn't Threaten Cops." Okay, all right, teach me something. Let me see what's going on. All right, here's why you shouldn't threaten cops. Let's get into it.
Man is threatening to kill a family that accused him of reaching into their car with their 3 kids in it.
I just saw you walking in the street.
I killed him.
Why are you gonna do that?
Man, because
Cops are going to have to figure out what is going on in the situation, but his weird requests and threats to the officers is going to make this anything but easy for them.
What's going on, man? Hey.
I go by you over there.
What's that?
I go by you by the police car.
You're gonna go by the police car?
Our van. I'm not doing nothing, dude.
Okay, well, they said...
I got my own money, dude. I didn't have hustle money.
Okay, that's cool. Were you out in the street doing something a second ago?
No.
No? Somebody called saying that there's somebody in the middle of Green and 6 coming up to cars and everything. And then when I came up, you were kind of walking behind this car right here.
No, I didn't go in the street then.
Okay.
I was hustling for a buck. I got a buck.
You were hustling for a buck?
I'm like broke, dude.
Yeah, I hear you.
I had a bum.
You're not causing any issues today or anything?
No, I didn't like bothering. I was not walking in the street, man. Like people said, man.
Well,
They need a better story, dude.
I just saw you walking in the street.
I killed him.
Why are you gonna do that?
Man, because panhandling.
Okay.
Oh man, panhandling. Oh man, I was trying to get $1. I was trying to get 50 cents, dude.
Okay, apparently he was just trying to reach inside one of these vehicles.
No, I did not reach inside, dude. Hey, sir. I didn't.
Will you talk with them and see what they said?
I did not try to reach inside their vehicle.
Okay.
You were in the roadway. No,
Did you see him in the roadway as
No,
well?
I was on the side, dude.
No, you were not.
No, I was not.
I saw you first. You were stumbling into the traffic.
Dude. I didn't grab in your car, did I?
Rashid, what's your date of birth? I might be able to help you out with 50 cents, possibly here.
Alright. Hey, don't lie on me.
Hey, Rashid, why don't we step over here? Okay, step over here.
Yeah.
Rashid,
Sorry.
step right here.
Yeah, you can tell this guy is he's down on his luck a little bit. You know what I mean? But and we see this stuff all the time. You know, people be on the highways, people in front of stores, and all this stuff. You know, people that's down on their luck and everything, and. But to reach in someone's car with a baby in there, you pushing it. You asking for 50 cents. You coming over here for 50 cents, but you might leave with an ass whooping, okay? You coming over here with my kid and all that type of stuff. Listen, you coming for 50 cents, but you gonna leave with, oh boy, so you might as well take your 2 cents, okay? Get your mind together, step off. You don't want no problems over here. Just take 2 cents. You can't get the 50 cents. But take your 2 cents and your spidey tingling senses and all of that. You might want to get to stepping, okay?
Step over here, my man.
Man, who's your fucking man?
Rashid, step over here. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Thank you.
I didn't grab. I just asked for $1, those people.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, we're gonna hear their side of the story and everything. Relax.
Sorry.
You been drinking today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
I had like 2-3 drinks, dude.
Alright. You remember getting out with it yesterday?
Yeah, I went home. Like they said, go home.
So, hey, man, what's the deal? Because they said somebody was walking out in the street and everything. And
Did you see me over there?
Yes, I did.
In the street?
Yes, we did. What's the deal?
I'm trying to just get $1, man, if you ever seen me.
Okay. So you were in the street, so
No, dude.
just be
like,
honest with us.
For like this part, dude, I was only... It wasn't even over here, dude. It was over there.
Okay.
I just stand straight, but I asked them for... Hey, man,
Rashid, put your hands down.
I don't have guns tonight.
Okay. Stop talking to them. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. And we're gonna walk over here. Okay.
I walk over here.
We can walk. We can step over here for a second. But I want you step. Okay, stop right there. Thank you. Leave them alone.
Do that. I'm
Rashid, step over here. Okay. Rashid, look at me. All right. What? Right here. We're good. All right.
Really? Yeah.
Is it RASHID?
Yeah, man.
No middle initial?
No, dude. Yeah,
Okay.
like a bus ID.
Don't reach in your bag right now.
Alright. And no
In
guns.
fact, will you just put your bag right there? Appreciate it.
Can I borrow your gun, man?
No.
You gonna shoot?
Hey. Relax. All right. Don't. I'm not trying to, man. But if you're looking at my gun and you're asking about my gun, we're gonna have issues.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
And asked them, like, get away from my car, they told me.
Okay.
Dude, I'm like, okay, I'll leave, dude. They told me to get away from my car, I left. I did not harass them after they said it.
Code 410-6, this is 43. Mr. Rashid is intoxicated today and he's asking to borrow my gun.
Like 50 cents. I didn't touch your wife.
Okay. Rashid, stand over here. Rashid.
Tell me yourself some bullshit.
Rashid.
Do it all.
Stand over. Rashid. Rashid.
Boom.
Rashid.
Fuck this girl.
Step
All
over.
of it, right? Hey, guys. Hey.
Hi, Rashid.
I only asked you for 50 cents what you said. Leave the car, right? What they say. I didn't harass them after that point.
Well, they're very upset
Because I asked them for
because
like $1.
there's 3 small children in there,
I
Rashid. You
didn't
can't
ask
be doing that. Do you understand that that's not okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand why parents would be upset that you did that?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
So why'd we do it?
I didn't do shit. I asked for like 50 cents, dude. And they said leave, and I left.
Okay, but do you understand that your behavior before being told not to is not okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
Don't put your hands in the car.
Don't reach your hand in
I
people's
didn't
cars.
reach my hand in the car.
You did, though.
Some guy is saying like opening car doors. I'm not opening
I'm
car
not even
doors.
talking about that.
No, dude.
I'm talking about this car in particular that you stuck your hand in.
Right? Kill that guy.
And you were in the street and everything,
Yeah, I'm
so...
trying to hustle for like 50 cents, dude.
Okay.
I know, but we talked to you about this yesterday.
No, dude, I'm sober today, am I?
No, you're
I
not
don't think
sober
you are.
because you told...
Oh, you cooked. They know you already. They talk to you every day. Nah, you're cooked. Come on. They probably gave you a break yesterday, but they gonna take you on down to the county today. You know what I'm saying? Get you booked in, and you ain't gotta worry about 50 cents, you know what I'm saying? You'll get booked in or whatever, and then you'll get out tomorrow or whatever, whenever you see the judge. But you need to go in there and just relax and sleep. You know what I'm saying? He gotta sleep this off instead of harassing people in the streets.
You've been drinking today.
Yeah, like I had three drinks today, man.
Okay.
No, all right, you're gonna rush me. I want to go home. But yeah, I do understand what you're saying, dude. Like, don't bother people.
If he's if we let him know.
He's been an issue the last 2 days. I gave him an NTA for battery.
I'll go home
yesterday.
today.
For someone.
Fuck.
I'm good with that.
Okay.
You good in there?
Yeah. All right, go and put your hands behind your back, Rashid.
Yeah. All right. See you guys later. Yeah. Hey, get my backpack.
We'll get your backpack. We'll get your
I
backpack.
didn't do shit, dude. No, thank you. Hey,
Hey,
You want me to take out the primary?
hey, please get my backpack, sir. Hey,
I'm here, told.
hey. Hey, please get my backpack. Please.
Okay, we will get your backpack.
We will get it, dude. Do you have anything illegal on you?
No, I don't do drugs, dude. I drink. That's it.
I'm saying in your pockets.
No, I don't. But, hey, man, can I please take my backpack?
Yeah, we will get your backpack here in
Okay.
just a second.
No,
No, we
we're
gave you
going
a
to
ticket
jail.
the other day.
Why am I going to jail, man?
Because
For disorderly conduct.
All right. Well, I didn't fucking bother you.
apparently you
You did,
did.
though, and they're very upset.
Are they? I want to murder their real life, dude. Really? Yeah, I killed them.
Stay right here. Don't turn around.
I ain't gonna lie, her nails look good though. Did y'all see that? Hold on. Her nails match they patch because they like orange. She got the French tips, but orange. She got him with orange though.
Yeah. Hey, get my backpack.
We'll get your backpack. We'll get your backpack.
I didn't do shit, dude. Oh, thank you.
Hey,
Hey,
you want me to open up the primary?
Hey, please get my backpack, sir. Hey,
I'm here, Toll.
That look good. I ain't gonna lie to you.
hey, please get my backpack. Please.
Okay, we will get your backpack.
We will get it, dude. Do you have anything illegal on you?
No, I don't do drugs, dude. I drink. That's it.
I'm saying in your pockets.
No, I don't. Hey, man, can I please take my backpack?
She got the French tip design, but with not white tips.
No, we gave you a
Orange.
ticket the other day.
Why am I going to jail, man?
Because
For disorderly conduct.
All right. Well, I didn't fucking buy it.
apparently you
You
did.
did, though, and they're very upset.
Are they? I want to murder their real life, dude. Really? Yeah, I'll kill.
Stay right here. Don't turn around.
I didn't turn around. I'll kill you too.
You want to throw threatening a public official in there?
I'm the official, man. Yeah, man.
You cannot threaten to kill a police officer.
I didn't
Borrow my gun too.
No, you have 2 charges now.
All right, bye. No, fuck. I don't have guns when I have them.
Yesterday you told me you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Lying now?
I ain't lying.
Am I combative, sir?
No, but you're pretty wiggly right now. Just need to relax. And you were asking to borrow my gun. You just threatened to kill my partner.
Oh, did I? I'm combative. I got your back.
Don't lean back. Walk to the car.
Dude, I'm walking, dude. Let me walk. Let me walk.
We're gonna go to this side, dude. Relax, machine.
I'm relaxed right now. Tell them not to touch me, dude.
All right, let's hop in the car, Rashid.
What? How long am I staying in jail? Like 5 hours?
I don't know. It's going to be up to the judge.
What judge, man?
The judge.
Assholes, motherfuckers, dude. How long am I staying in jail for, man?
It's a pretty
I did not
boring
threaten
video.
you. No, I didn't, dude. I did not threaten you.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Why? You think I threatened you? Hey, man, why am I going to jail, man?
For disorderly conduct.
For, like, hustling?
For the people were alarmed and disturbed at the car that you reached into because
I did not reach in that car, man.
well, that's where we're at.
Harshid was charged with disorderly conduct and threatening a public official. He has spent the last 10 months in jail after pleading not guilty. Proceedings are underway for his trial. However, the court is in the process of trying to establish if Rashid is mentally fit to stand trial. Make sure you subscribe and
What? He's been in jail 10 months for this? No way. For this?
charged with disorderly conduct and threatening a public official. He has spent the last 10 months in jail after pleading not guilty. Proceedings are underway for his trial. However, the court is in the process of trying to establish if Rashid is mentally fit to stand trial. Make sure you
Yeah, he ain't mentally. Come on, you could look at him and tell he ain't. You could look at him and tell he ain't wrapped too tight, man. He ain't mentally able to stand trial. Like, dude's a nut job. You know what I mean? He really needs to be in one of them, probably like mental institutions or one of them programs or something like that. Like, jail, jail isn't for everybody in every situation. You know what I'm saying? And for some people, jail is appropriate. But for others, they need to be in like a mental institution, like one of them psych wards. You know what I'm saying? They need to be in, taking them psych meds and all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you could look at him and tell he has like maybe some bipolar disorder or anything, like, because 1 minute he's like chill, and then the next minute he's like tweaking out, and he's real finicky. He's like, I don't know. I think the officers did the right thing by taking him in, though, especially if they dealt with him the day before. And, and it's the second day in a row, so I give them a 4 out of 5. They did pretty well. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.